In this guide, I will show with you how to get bank statement in Novo banco. So guys, first step you need to do, log in your account here. This is the first step. You can also use on this app. You can download this app on Google Play. After that, look for bank statement on the setting here, guys. Look for option to get bank statement. From here, look this option to get bank statement. So guys, if this not available features to get bank statement, this is the bank statement you can see here. For example, go to your official website and then click on schedule meeting. From the schedule meeting, guys, scroll down, click on this option, enter your all details such your name here. After that, when you write your name, write your phone numbers and your email address, and then write your the date to schedule your meeting. After that, for example, this one, and write our time, select your balcony here, and then write for the subject. I want, for example, I want to get my bank statement. This is for example, and I declare that, and then click send. This option, guys, this is in case if you don't have any option or features to see on this app. If you have features to see your bank statement, just click this one on this app and you will get your bank statement. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this